So hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. It's Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your YouTube channel in 2025. This works on both Android and iPhone devices as well as on desktop. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the YouTube app on your phone. So normally I'm going to open the YouTube app from my phone. So I'm searching here YouTube, clicking on it, and then you will see an interface like this. Now normally tap on your profile picture at the right corner and then click on this Google account. And normally click on this data and privacy. Now scroll down a bit. Here you will get an option delete a Google service. Click on it. And it's going to verify your identity. So normally give a password or your fingerprint in your phone. So here you will see your YouTube channel, 0 videos uploaded. So normally click on this delete icon. And here you will get an option, I want to hide my channel, I want to permanently delete my channel. Choose the option that you want to do. Normally I'm choosing I want to permanently delete my content. So normally click on this arrow icon. And here, normally check this box and check this box also and click on this delete my content. Type your email address here again that you have used to create the channel. And finally, click on this delete my content. And that's it. Your content is being deleted right now. It will take a few minutes to delete completely. So here you can see that this channel does not exist. That means we have successfully deleted our channel. So thanks for watching. Now you know how to delete your YouTube channel permanently. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.